Want to make $500 per day online in 2025? No experience? No problem. The fastest methods are right in front of you, but most people miss them. Stay with me till the end, and I'll show you the easiest ways to start making money online. Fast. In 2025, the online money-making industry is booming. AI, automation, and remote work are making it easier than ever. But here's the problem. Most people choose outdated methods that don't work. Let's dive into the fastest and easiest ways to make real money online. Don't have skills? Let AI do the work for you. Offer services like AI-generated content writing, logo and thumbnail design using Canva and AI, video editing with AI-powered tools like Runway ML, and AI voiceovers for YouTube and businesses. Step 1. Sign up on Fiverr or Upwork. Step 2. Use AI tools to complete tasks fast. Step 3. Earn $100 to $500 per day without prior experience. Faceless YouTube channels are exploding in 2025. Here's how to start today. Step 1. Use ChatGPT to create video scripts. Step 2. Add AI voiceovers using 11 Labs or Murph AI. Step 3. Get free stock footage from Pexels or Pixabay. Step 4. Edit with AI-powered tools like CapCut and InVideo. Monetize through ads, affiliate links, and sponsorships. Many Faceless YouTube channels are making $500 to $10,000 per month. Affiliate marketing equals easy passive income. Promote products from Amazon, ClickBank, or Digistore24. Create short videos on TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube. Add your affiliate link and earn money on every sale. One viral post can make you $500 or more per day. Why sell physical products when digital is easier? Hot digital product ideas include AI-generated ebooks on Amazon KDP, Notion templates on Gumroad or Etsy, and social media templates on Canva. Create once, sell forever, make money while you sleep. These are the fastest ways to make money online in 2025. AI freelancing, fast cash. Faceless YouTube, passive income. Affiliate marketing, no products needed. Digital products, set and forget income. Which one will you start today? Comment below. If this video helped you, smash that like button and subscribe for more money-making tips. Comment, "I'm ready," if you're serious about making money online in 2025.